Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beebee, and in today's video I will be showing you how to tie a head wrap in 3 different styles. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Beebee. Please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications if you haven't. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, why have you not subscribed? Please subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I love you guys so much. God bless you. Please just get to 300 subscribers. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to lay my edges. I did a video on how to lay your edges, preferably to pop here. Why I'm laying my edges because I don't want my hair to pull out when tying the scarf. So let's lay my edges. Yeah, I also did a tutorial on how to grow your edges, so I'll put the link in the description box below in case you've not seen it. Probably you're a new subscriber and you've not watched it, so the link will be in the description box below. So after laying my edges, I'll go ahead to wear my wig cap. This is the scarf I will be using. It's very long. So the first style I'll be tying, it's like, first I will fold it into a 90-10 portion. See? Then I'll turn it the other way. Like this. So still 90-10. And put it on the back of my head. And I'll make sure the lengths are equal, so it's going to be 50-50. So I'll cross this one under this and bring this one up like this, then put this one inside. So it's like when you're tying your normal scarf. So you've gotten your length, then you twist two sides like this. And put it under. Yeah, easy and it's simple. And the style is nice. So for the second style, I'll be using the same scarf. I'm going to fold it into a 90-10 portion and make sure I fold it well. Then I'll put it on my head. Then I'll make sure it's equal, that's a 50-50 on both sides. Then I'll go ahead and cross it over each other at the back. Then I'm going to twist one end and use my chin to hold the other end of the scarf. I won't twist it to the end of the scarf, so I just cross it over on my head.
After crossing it over, I'm going to create a loop with the end I crossed over on my head. Then I'm going to put the other one that I used my chin to hold inside that loop so I can tie it together. It's easy and very unique, very beautiful. But if you're not comfortable with it, you can also twist this end just like the way I twisted the other one. Then after that, you cross it at the back of the one you crossed at the front. Then that gives you a simple style, very beautiful. Then the third style, I'm still using the same scarf and it's still the 90-10 portion. After folding it, I'll go ahead to put it on my head. Same pattern, but this time I'm going to be tying it at the back, just like the way you're tying a normal scarf. Then I'll create a loop and tie it. Make sure it's not too tight so you won't start having headache, and make sure to be very careful when you're tying it so the scarf won't fall off your head. Then after tying it, I'm going to be twisting the two ends together. You know the other one I twisted each end, but now I'm twisting the two ends together. Make sure to twist it well. I made a mistake at that place, so I had to loosen it and twist it again so it will be very neat. Make sure you twist it to the end. After twisting it to the end, then you go ahead to create a circle with the ones you've twisted. After creating a circle, you put the end of the twisted one inside one of the circles you've created, and that gives you an amazing style, very beautiful.
And the style is nice. And those are the 4 ways you can style your head wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your favorite style. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications if you haven't. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Comment below what you'd like to see next on my channel. Thank you so much for watching once again. I love you guys. Bye.